Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss important updates.
Step 1. Log into your website cPanel. For this, you need to type in your full domain name /cPanel in the address bar of your browser. Once you're logged in, you need to locate the email heading. This is easily identifiable. Otherwise, you can also search for it in the search bar of the cPanel dashboard, which is usually on the top. Open email accounts. Then click on the plus create button. From the drop-down menu, select the domain you want your email to be associated with. Enter your username and set a password. You also have the option to provide an alternate email. In case you select this, the system will send an email with the password configuration link to the alternate email ID provided. Select your desired storage space. 1 GB is usually enough for most cases. You can avoid using the unlimited option since it will eat up too much space on your web hosting eventually. So once you create the email, you need to check it using the check email button. So as you can see, it has taken us to the Roundcube web application interface on our webmail. Click on the compose option. So right now we're trying to send a test email to my Gmail ID. Let's open Gmail now. Let's refresh the interface of our Gmail account. As you can see, I have received the email in my inbox.
Thanks for watching this video. Comment and let us know which digital marketing tutorial you would like to see next. Also, don't forget to check out different topic-wise playlists on our channel. Do like and subscribe.